you. Okay, I don't think I've actually ever reacted to these lovely ladies before, and that doesn't mean I'm not familiar with them. I think I've seen every music video of theirs since Hobgoblin and have a lot of their songs on my playlist. A lot to do with that is my daughter, whose dance crew actually does a lot of CLC covers, so... 아름다우니 인정해 아름다움이 끝없는 아름다움이 네 맘을 훔칠 하모니 I can't control myself 어쩔 수 없는 만큼 다 내려놔 솔직하게 말해 아름다움이 황홀하게 나를 보는 눈빛에 내 심장이 또 멈추지 근데 너는 몰라 왜 보여 널 원하잖아 그만. Also, if you are new to them or, you know, casually listen to their music and who don't know their name, I have a CLC name learning video on the channel. You can just learn their names, that's all it does, but it helps you learn. It's a bit of a process like flashcards, so get onto that if you want to get to know their names. I was lucky enough to see CLC last year in Korea.
And we were actually there at the show for their first win, and Ian and Jenna were emceeing, so she was right up there when they actually got their first win. It was so cute. And they don't usually have foreigners stay behind for on the way out, but we were asked if we wanted to stay back, which is really lucky and unusual. So we actually got to wish them, we actually got to congratulate them, and sort of, we're allowed to film and everything. You're not allowed to film in the show, but you can film afterwards. So here's a little bit of that. So sweet, and they were so happy that they won, and it was just nice to be there for their first win. Anyway, to get on with the reaction, I'm still learning the members, alright, shut up. I know Ian, I know Sawn, I know Elkie. I'm still learning the others, so forgive me. Let's go.
Oh shit, this is loud. I did watch the teasers, but they're very, very short, so I didn't do reaction to them. Wow, they are stunning. Wow. I've really liked all their title tracks, hey? Wow. That's Elkie, right? In the centre? I love her! And she's so tiny in real life. She is tiny. But she's so fierce, right? I've learned the rest of the names. Wow, her hair looks amazing like that. I just had my hair cut like that. Oh, not quite. Wow. It's so pretty. Oh, it's nice. I like the shouting. I always like shouting in music videos for some reason. Oh, she's so, wow, she's platinum. I'm loving these outfits too. Ooh, that she looks so good. They always look sexy but classy, you know? Hey, get it! Haven't seen her with the long blonde hair I've only seen her with long dark hair. Okay, which one of them's a wig? The bob or the long hair? I love these shorts. But honestly, that white dress.
I think it's my favourite outfit out of everything. Wow, Saul looks so good with that hair, especially tied back like that. Wow, bendy. His vocals are gorgeous. Can't wait to see the full choreo for this. I bet my daughter's crew does a cover. Oh, I really like, yeah, when Sawn's hair's pulled back like that, it's gorgeous. Oh, you can hear the ad-libs in the background, they're gorgeous. Yes. Wow. Yeah, not disappointed. Totally what I expected from them. Good, you know, hard-hitting. They're a great group. Like I know I don't talk about girl groups much, but they're one of the groups that I actually regularly listen to. I've had, you know, me and No and
you know, the list, because my daughter's crew literally covered. God, how many CLC? A lot. So yeah, I do listen to them quite regularly. So yeah, but my first reaction to them, and yeah, I will try and react to some more. I'll try and do. I don't know if they do a relay dance or maybe a choreographed version or something like that. I'll see you then. Bye.